Hi, it's Fiona Ariva, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create wax seals using wickless wax sticks. I'm going to be using my wax sealing set, which includes a stamp, a velvet drawstring bag to store all your supplies in, a spoon, and two wickless wax sticks, one in a gorgeous champagne rose gold colour and the other in a yellow gold colour. You'll also need a candle to melt the wax and maybe a pair of scissors. So I'm going to show you two ways to use the wickless wax sticks. The first way is to grab your scissors and chop up little bits off one end of the wax stick. Put those wax bits into your spoon until you fill the spoon to the top. Don't worry, the level of the wax will start dropping once you begin melting it. And just for comparison purposes, this is how much wax I've chopped off. The other way to melt your wickless wax sticks is to hold onto one end of the stick and place the other end in your spoon. I'd recommend only using this method when the stick is long, so you don't burn your fingers from either the heat of the candle or from the spoon. Melt the wax over the candle flame like so until the wax is filled about 2/3 of the spoon. If the wax is smoking by this point, let it cool a bit before you pour it, because overheated wax can cause bubbles or your paper to wrinkle up, and it just takes longer for the wax to set as well. Okay, so it's time to pour the wax, and if this is your first time, do it slowly. You want to stop pouring when the circle of wax is a little bit smaller than the size of your stamp head, because when you press the stamp into the wax, it's going to push some of the wax out and create that lovely oozy raised border. Keep your stamp in the wax for about 25 to 30 seconds just to be safe. You can jiggle it around to see if the wax has cooled yet, and if it has, the stamp will lift off cleanly. There you have it, your own wax seal created using wickless wax sticks.